Discover the transformation of a family-owned solar energy company, overcoming significant inventory challenges. Hooked on Solar operates in Northern California, completing over 6,500 installations across various sectors. Despite their success, managing 23,000 products in inventory proved overwhelming for their growing team. Vice President Roger Stevens identified serious gaps in their previous inventory management approach early on. Inventory was chaotic, spread across 6 spreadsheets, making it impossible to track stock levels efficiently. Stevens recalled his experience creating a custom inventory program and considered doing it again. In his search for a better solution, he discovered inFlow Inventory's remarkable simplicity and user-friendliness. Training staff became a breeze. Team members quickly learned to easily put away, pick, and count inventory. After implementing inFlow, unsorted pallets dropped from 250 to just 3, showcasing incredible efficiency. With accurate stock reports, installation teams felt more confident and significantly reduced unnecessary trips to suppliers.